3 super easy transitions you can create in After Effects. The first one is a simple wipe transition. Got my 2 clips on the timeline. Gonna go up to the rectangle tool up here, go to the fill, and then choose a color I like from the scene. Double click the rectangle and it creates a solid. Shorten it about 12 frames either side of the cut. And at the end, I'm going to keyframe the position of the shape off the screen to the left. And then at the beginning, I'll keyframe it off to the right. So it does one sweep across. Highlight the keyframes, right click, easy ease, speed graph editor, and then do a camel hump towards the center of the cut. And what you can also do is Command D, change the color of the shape by using another secondary color of your scene. And then you can offset that one so it does that sort of Netflix ribbon effect. And you can offset either or to create interesting combinations. Or you can choose to do it vertically by just keyframing the rectangle from above and below. The second transition is the slide transition or the pan transition. I've laid out my 2 clips on the timeline and they each cross over by about 24 frames. And the top clip is the one that I want to animate in. So I'm going to go to where the 2 clips cross over at the end here, press P on my keyboard, keyframe it, zoom out, and then go to the start of the clip and then holding Shift, just drag it off like this. And then I'm going to parent the below clip that we can see on the screen to that animated one. So now it should both slide like this. Highlight, easy ease, and again do that nice camel hump velocity. And you can also add motion blur to both of them just for a bit of extra spice. And I can also achieve this vertically by just changing the position where that clip is on the starting frame so it comes in from above. The third and final transition is the camera lens blur transition, or the pull focus transition. Right click, new adjustment layer. Let's make it about 8 frames either side of our cut. Effects and presets, camera lens blur, apply that to the adjustment layer. And then we're going to keyframe the blur radius, about 200, exactly on the cut. Go to frame 1, turn it to 0, go to the ending frame of that adjustment layer, and again, take it to 0. You on our keyboard, bring up the keyframes, easy ease, speed graph editor, and then let's make a nice soft diamond shape, something like this. And voila, there we have it. 3 super easy transitions that just help elevate your work to make it look slick and cinematic. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.